Okay, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be reorganizing. This is my kitchen, and I have the pantry cabinet right here that is, I'm embarrassed to open it, is just an absolute mess. I cannot for the life of me even tell what I have in here, let alone what is expired already, what stuff I don't even use. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and reorganize. I'm going to check for expiration dates. If it's expired, I'm obviously throwing it away. And if it's stuff that I don't use but is still in good date, I will set to the side and probably donate to a food bank. So I am just going to go ahead and reorganize this so that I can kind of start to one of my resolutions for 2019 is to get my house organized, and that is including this entire kitchen reorganized of the cabinets, of what has what in what cabinets, and you know, just trying to minimize what it is that I have around here that I don't use, because I don't enjoy having clutter in my house. I really am a very minimalist type of person. I do not enjoy having things that I don't need around. So we're gonna go ahead and get to organizing this. So if you want to bear with me and stay around and see how I do it, I would love it. So okay, so I am done, and let me show you what I've done. And if you can see, compared to what it was, just to complete, now I have an entire like shelf and a half that really doesn't have anything on it. Let me go ahead and, so here's how I've organized it. I have all of my cooking stuff here. So my ghee, my coconut oil, I've got olive oil, avocado, grapeseed, some red wine vinegar, some apple cider vinegar, organic honey. I have like Red Hot and A1 and ranch and stuff because the kids kind of like some condiments here and there. So we use that sometimes. Then I have some stevia, some flaxseed. This is coconut flour, original like all-purpose flour, almond flour, like brown sugar, confectionery sugar, because the girls do like to cook here and there, so I still let them do that. Waffle and pancake mix. Then below that we have like peanut butter and stuff, because they have peanut butter for their sandwiches for lunch. Syrup and stuff for their pancakes and waffles, some taco seasoning and refried beans, my like organic chicken broth, some faux broth. This would be my, like where my sauces will be, like, so I have like my red sauce and my butter chicken, because we do like a bit of curry here and there, some tomato paste, which is the Green Wise, which doesn't have any other stuff in it. So so the butter chicken, the tomato paste. I was given this barbecue sauce by someone who lives in Memphis, a co-worker of mine, so that was nice of her. I have some Dijon mustard behind there, and then this is where I have like my quinoa, my couscous, my basmati rice. Then below here will be, I have some, I decided to put the teas and stuff here because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these or not. The girls and I don't really drink as much tea anymore, especially since we have the Keurig now. We tend to have the tea through that, so I might actually take a lot of this to work and give it to work people, or just put it in the like common room. so that work people can have that. Then my gluten-free pasta, there's some more pasta in there. Then this is like stuff to add on salads, like sunflower seeds and what have you. Some salmon and tuna packets, some peanuts, and then these are a couple of to-go peanut butter packets, so those are still good. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with these. The girls wanted to try them. They tried them. I don't think they liked them, so I don't know if I'm going to keep those or not. I have to wait till the girls get back because they're with their dad right now. So and if they don't like them, I will probably put them in the break room at work as well because they're still good. But they are open, so it's not like I could give them, you know, to anywhere. So, and then so that's cooking stuff. So baking powder, cinnamon. I do have another spice rack in the kitchen. And that's in a different cabinet that I really need to clean out, so I'm not going to show you that today because that is a complete and utter hot mess that I will need to redo as well. So I'll probably, I don't know if I'll do another video on that or just show you what the end result ends up being. And I have vegetable oil and stuff. Like I said, the girls like to do like baking here and there, so I keep setting things around for that, for when they want to do that. And then down below here is all of the kids' like school snacks, like applesauce, some crackers and stuff that they'll take with the tuna and salmon and stuff. And then just some granola bars and what have you. And then below that is like some crisps or chips and popcorn and stuff. And then this over here is English biscuits or cookies. That I picked up just so the girls like those. And then just down here is oatmeal. So like I said, I have an entire like shelf and a half pretty much, probably 2 shelves really if I cram things I don't want to necessarily cram, because the cramming is what got me to not know what I had in my cupboard. But basically now I can see everything, so that is all of it. So yeah, and up above there is like a mixing bowl that the girls use for cooking, then cookbooks, and then in that red box is a little fondue set. It's like a cheese fondue set, which is cute. The girls like to pull out every now and again. So yeah, at least now I can see everything that I have and excuse me, everything that I have, and at least be able to kind of you know, my next shopping round, know what I need to get, what I don't need to get, and kind of adjust accordingly. Okay, so that is me done organizing my kitchen cabinets, and yeah, so at least now I know what I have, what I don't, what I need to get when I go shopping, and hopefully it just makes life a little bit more easy. And so thanks for watching. If you liked, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, hit the subscribe. Also, you know, head over to our Instagram account because we post daily pictures on there. And yeah, hope you enjoyed and hope you have a wonderful rest of your night. Thanks. Bye.